Scattered showers and thunderstorms to start off your morning, especially across much of the Lone Star State of Texas, courtesy due to the cold front that came through, brought some breezier conditions and some cooler conditions by the later half of the day. It's bringing some showers and thunderstorms this morning, especially over into near Pecos, Reeves County, pushing into Crockett County, beginning to fill in coverage for the Big Country Contra Valley to talk about the areas this morning over into Pecos and Reeves County, light to moderate showers, but we have flash flood warnings in effect over into Crockett County as well, even into Reeves County, especially including into near areas of Toya, where we have seen some isolated totals this morning up to near 4 inches, possibly even higher over into Toya, just west of Pecos, with some isolated totals around 1 to 2 inches of rain along the I-20 corridor traveling westbound this morning, with some isolated totals near 3 inches of rain, a good swath around 1 to 2 inches of rain for much of areas of Crockett County. Elsewhere, very light this morning with some heavier rain building in over into Coleman, Callahans, and Brown County, with some isolated thunderstorms beginning to build in, especially over into Tom Green County. We're tracking some small hail and some gusty winds near 50 miles per hour this morning, in which I don't really anticipate the severe threat's going to be that great. I think we could be able to see at most maybe some stronger winds in some of these showers or storms as they continue to build in across the Big Country this morning, even over into Colorado City, very isolated in Scurry County. We have a flood advisory though over into portions of Brown County, where we have already seen some isolated totals near 2 inches of rain this morning, but we're starting to fill in the Big Country with so far upwards of near 1/10 of an inch of rain. So we'll continue to see some of these showers and thunderstorms build in towards the Big Country Contra Valley. Activity will gradually decrease here into the Permian Basin, and we'll see this broken line of showers and storms continue to meander off and towards the east. At times could produce some heavier rainfall, small hail, and some gusty winds, but I think by your late morning, early afternoon, most of us will be dry with additional development of a few showers and storms for our far western counties. Again, could try to produce that brief heavy rainfall and some small hail and gusty winds, but I think most of us will fall into the drier end with the mix of sun and clouds. Cooler temperatures settle in across the Permian Basin, Big Country Contra Valley for today, with those showers and storms fizzling out as we head into the late evening hours. So we'll stick into the 80s and 90s today before summer heat returns rather quickly and at full force. 104 heading into Sunday, 103 heading into Monday. So especially with any outdoor activities heading in towards the weekend, make sure you are drinking plenty of water. Avoid any outdoor activities during the peak heat, and if you are going to be outdoors during the peak heat, make sure you are wearing some light colored clothing, some loose fit clothing. Take those frequent breaks in the shade, especially have plenty of water to drink, and make sure you apply the sunscreen. But remember, don't leave your children or your pets in vehicles. Even with the AC on, I would still go ahead and bring them in, as it's going to heat up rather quickly, and we'll start to pick up on some breezier conditions as well, which will help us get there. But at times the breeze could make things feel just a little bit better, especially if you are outdoors during the peak heating. I think we'll see winds gusting up to near 20 to 30 miles per hour as we head into early next week. But out the door right now, we are dry in Odessa, cloudy sky. We see the sun rays this morning, temperature of 69 degrees. We're feeling the humidity still working with the north-northeast wind this morning. Rain cooled air, 60s, 70s, still working with a lot of moisture and some 80s over into the hill country. That moisture is going to get put to good use as those showers and thunderstorms continue to meander off and towards the east. We'll make it to about 84 in Coleman today, 91 Midland, 92 in Odessa, with 90 over into Key City. 7-day forecast, 30% coverage of showers and storms today. Mostly dry for the afternoon and evening for the Big Country and Contra Valley. Mostly dry heading into your weekend, but temperatures we can see are going to be heating up in full force, especially here in the Permian Basin. 96 heading into Saturday, 104 on Sunday, 103 on Monday, with upper 90s Tuesday through Thursday. We'll be right back after this break.